On the Season 2 premiere of This Is Your Brain with Dr. Phil Stieg, music therapist Megan Morrow of Tier Memorial Hermann Hospital discusses her most famous patient.
It was exactly 10 years ago this week she was the victim of a brutal assassination attempt.
911, where's the emergency? 911, there was a shooting at Oracle. And I do believe Gabby Giffords hit.
I know Gabby is as tough as they come.
I looked at her, and when I sang happy birthday to, she was able to give me a little thumbs up. And when I saw that, I knew we are going to get her speech back.
Stopping gun violence takes courage, as I've seen great courage when my life was on the line.
Music therapist Megan Morrow, and a special appearance by former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords on the next episode of This Is Your Brain with Dr. Phil Stieg.